guys, welcome back for another vlog, and for today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to add Threads app in your Instagram bio. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow all of the simple steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is to head onto our Instagram account. So let's go to Instagram. So make sure that you guys is already logged into your Instagram applications. As you can see, you can already see here my Threads app account in here. So to be able to see this or to be able to have this in your Instagram, we need to head on to our Threads app. So make sure that you already logged in the same account on your Threads app. Okay, so log into your Instagram account and log in as well to your Threads app. So once you are logged in, as you can see, if you tap the Instagram button here, it will lead you into this. And once if you tap this Threads app here at 100M plus, you are going to see this one, your number 100M plus to join Threads. So this temporary badge lets your followers know that you're on Threads and sends them to your profile if they have the app. So you can here view your Threads profile or hide the badge. So let's view it, and it will gonna lead you into this in your Threads app directly. So how to do that? So simply, as you can see guys, I attached my account to my bio via click on your profile here and then edit profile. And as you can see, I added here my bio. In here my bio, my name, username on my Threads app, and also the link. As you can see, I also added the link in here, and I added the link of my Threads app here, then name it Threads account and added. And as you can see, it's already added here. So, and I save that. And once you've done that guys, it will gonna automatically lead this at 100M plus. Then if you click that, it will gonna lead you into view Threads profile, then directly go to your Threads profile account. As you can see, that's it guys. So that's how easy it is guys to add Threads to your Instagram bio. So to be able to get your link, this Rosaries 2023, just click the share profile here, then go to Threads, and as you can see, it will gonna lead you into this. So what I did was I copied this link and go straight to my Instagram account, then click on edit profile, head on to links and paste it in here. Alright, so that's how easy it is guys to add Threads on your Instagram bio. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for you to get updated on our latest update. Thank you for watching.